Click the Pricing Details tab. TurboBid Pricing section. The following information is displayed. This is a zero price item. Check the checkbox if this is a labor-only item. List price. The manufacturer's suggested price. TurboBid price. The national average priced at a supply house. The price is updated weekly. Pricing unit of measure, each per 100 or per 1,000. Vendor pricing section. Select the default value for this item. List price. The manufacturer's suggested price. TurboBid price. The national average price at a supply house. This price is updated every week. Lowest vendor price. This will automatically use the lowest vendor price. Default vendor. Use this if you always purchase this item from a specific vendor. If you update material prices via Trade Service Supplier Exchange, NetPricer, or Price Update files, the vendor is automatically added to this section during the price update.